What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of TNT Genetics. Whew. As you can see, there's a bit of snow on the ground. It snowed out for a little bit, then it rained, Jesus, can't even speak again today. It's freaking pouring out now, so sorry for the video quality. I'm going to try to wipe the lens off as much as possible, but you might see some raindrops. You will for sure. Never did replace the back brake on this Pithog yet. I was too sore yesterday to do shit on my day off, so if I don't do it out or before work one day or after work or during work, I'll do it next weekend. Just have to live with it. Ooh yeah. Fuck, she's messy out. Don't have any rain gear on, but I got my snow pants on, which is almost 99% waterproof. Whew. I gotta go pick up some ibuprofen. Holy fuck, what a lovely day. Going to work for curbside pickup. Sit on my ass all day. I guess nothing much different than any other day, but I hate retail jobs. Oh, she's just a little slippery out in the slush anyways. Fuck, I got my shoes on. Shit. I don't know how many times I do that. My shoes are sitting out beside my bike from last time I rode it, and I'm like, said to myself today, yeah, I'm gonna wear my winter boots today, and fucking shoes I have. First time going into a store since the lockdown. I don't do any shopping, the wife does it all. I just go to Gene's and shit like that. Oh, are you telling me they aren't even open? They gotta be opened. Oh, my feet are soaked. Only one way to find out, I guess. Oh, today's gonna suck. Lucky I got a pair of shoes and socks at work. Wet feet. Ibuprofen. Holy shit, this shit's expensive. There we are, 72 tablets. There we go, 200 capsules. What's the difference between that and that? Yo. Caplets. What's the difference between caplet and tablets? I'm puzzled. Pain relief. I just get blood like I usually get. No, not with me.
You want to do a phone number?
I can't remember what phone number I put it under.
1130.
Debit. I don't need a receipt.
Nope.
Thank you. Oh, I guess I could have set the phone number. My phone number's already all over YouTube. 613-403-1730. Oh, this is gonna suck. Feet are already soaked. Bloody hell. Guess it'll be time to get to work, crank the heat, close the bathroom door, and put all my wet clothes in there. We got a vent in the bathroom, so why is my... Yeah. So it's kind of like your own little personal sauna. I don't know if this guy knows what he's doing, but this is the straight line here, so let's see if this guy thinks he's going straight or is he fucking turning. We will figure it out. Nope, idiot's going straight. Not my problem. Holy fuck, she's a shitty day out today. Close the helmet, wipe the camera. Don't touch my back brakes. Woo! Oh yeah, get on the bike path. It's either going to be extremely icy. Oh, why did I put my foot down and see if I could slide? Son of a bitch. Hopefully these shoes are dry for when I go home. I can't take my spare shoes from work. They got holes in them. My work shoes. Oh, I can't believe I forgot my boots. Shittiness. Wee-hee. Yeah, I don't know. I was planning on going for a little rip before work, but I might just go to work. Hell yeah. So, right in the puddle. Son of a bitch. So hopefully you guys like that video I uploaded yesterday. I did too. I did the drinking one, but then after I posted one of all kinds of old pictures available. Holy shit. So hopefully you guys liked it. It has, well, last time I checked, like 230 some odd views just overnight, so that's pretty good. And if you're new to the channel, we're just a bunch of dumbasses that ride e-bikes and piss people off. That's the truth. Another funnel. Summertime's usually more exciting than wintertime. Then again, in the wintertime we do a bunch of stupid shit too. Like we run stop sign or stoplight. That wasn't a stop sign, but it was kind of considered. I was kind of considered that I was walking through it. Looks like they actually plowed this today. Yeah, what a shitty day. Beep-boo. So, if anyone's still watching, how many of you got laid off again because of this stupid shutdown, or you're still working? It's only Tipsy and I there, so we're both still working, of course. Oh, making sure I still had the pills in my pocket. It kind of sucks though. Especially like I'm there by myself today and I gotta place orders for stock and shit, so it's gonna be in the office counting shit, fucking back out helping customers. It's different when the customers have time. They walk in the door they have time to go up to the cash. Now they're standing right at the door and I gotta keep an eye out. The only bummer part is when I gotta take a shit. Especially like that. Oh, I gotta take a shit. Oh, hopefully we get no customers. Yeah, foot is drenched. Oh, this all freezes tonight, guys. I'll be definitely doing a video on the way home. For sure. I was gonna say sizzle my... I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh look, it's dry. Now it's wet. Today's just a shitty day. Mondays suck anyways. I seen something online that said that Tuesdays are the most productive day at work, which I don't really see that. I think Tipsy and I are our most productive day when we actually work the hardest. They're like freaking Thursday, Friday. I just want the days to go by fast. Monday's kind of a relaxation day. Get to work and be like, oh yeah, it's Monday, it sucks. Oh, another puddle. Whoever says riding with a front fender is cool, you're a complete moron. No offense, anyone. But it completely sucks. Oh, feet up! Son of a big puddle. Jesus, my... Yep. Only part of me that's really wet and cold. Well, okay, that's because there's two scenarios here. The only part of me that's cold are my feet. The only part of me that's wet right now is my left hand from wiping the damn camera for you guys. And my feet, of course. Oh, I had my four-ways on. Bloody hell. Rap! I don't care if this video is not 10 minutes, and if you're wondering why 10 minutes, extra ads get placed in your video, more income. Yes, we like the money. Don't you dare fuck pull out in front of me. Yeah. Because I am going to work to get dried off. Crap. That was a controlled, slow stop. Oh. Yep. Glad Tipsy didn't message me today for a ride. I know we had a video, but if he messaged me today and we did plan something, by the time I got down here, I would have met him like right now. I would have been said, yeah, you know what? I'm going home, you can go out for a ride. I'm too wet. Ooh, broken glass. Crap! Yep. Don't care what time it is. I really don't. As you guys can probably see in this video, I have no fucking idea what to talk about anymore. Other than, I guess, the life of e-bikes. Still not done. Where the fuck's the... God, this building's been taking forever. Literally, mentally, forever. Seems so dead. What? Today is Monday, right? Why is everything closed on a Monday? It's only the 27th. It better be Monday. If it's fucking Sunday and I came all the way to work. But no, I was off yesterday. What the fuck's going on? Something weird, guys. Something weird. Okay, you know what? I'll see you guys later because my feet, I'm soaked. Yep, I've had enough of this bullshit. So make sure you guys have a great day, great night. By the time you see this, stay tipsy, stay tripping, stay dry. Cheers, y'all.